In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to roast eggplant. Stay tuned. Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today guys, I'm super excited because I'm going to be roasting this eggplant. This eggplant came out of my patio garden. I've got a small garden growing in some pots out back, and this eggplant is one of them. I just picked it. It looks pretty good. And I'm going to be roasting this eggplant today. I've also got some tomatoes growing and some sweet banana peppers. But today, I'm going to be roasting this eggplant. All right, guys, so I'm going to wash this off and get it cleaned off. And then I've got my olive oil here. And I've got my Mrs. Dash salt-free table blend seasoning. I love this because it's got a medley of seasonings in it. It's salt-free. But I do like all of the seasonings that's in the Mrs. Dash. So I'm going to be using that. But guys, I am going to be using just a little bit of table salt, just a little bit. I'm going to sprinkle on it. But the main seasoning is going to come from this Mrs. Dash seasoning. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and wash off the eggplant, and then we are going to go ahead and get started.